welcome back to Country Views. It's been such a busy week. I've become a new grandma. My husband's become a new grandpa. So we've just been busy helping our daughter get situated for the baby. But today we have a special recipe. It's kind of like an hors d'oeuvre, snacky kind of food that your family will enjoy. It is meatballs with barbecue sauce and grape jelly with a twist. I'm gonna throw 3 different kinds of onions in it. So here we go, guys. So over here we have this big bag of meatballs, okay? You can use any kind of your choice. You can use chicken meatballs, beef meatballs, pork meatballs, whatever you wanna use. Today we're using chicken meatballs. They come out very yummy with this mixture. Over here, I have my big boiling pan getting heated on a low heat. And what I'm gonna do is dump this whole bag of meatballs in here. Well, maybe. Yeah, they all fit. Okay, so while that's going there, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna chop up our onions. I have a small red onion, I have a small white onion, and a little bit bigger yellow onion. Now you don't have to get creative with these, just cut them to make it comfortable for your home and your family. What I do is I cut them like this, and then I peel the outer layer off like this. And you want to put all that to the side. Okay, so you're going to end up with something like this, okay? And you want to do that with all your onions. And what I do is I just half, and then slice, like so. Okay? So when these are all sliced the way is comfortable for your home, then you want to add them in with the meatballs. All right, so that's how you cut your onions. I'm going to skip over to the sauce for right now, since I showed you guys on what to do with the onions. You get your favorite kind of barbecue sauce. Today we are using Bullseye Original because we are adding grape jelly. You can use whatever kind of jelly you like. Today we're using Welch's. And what I do is I pour this whole bottle over my meatballs, okay? Like so. Excuse me. And once you get all this in here, what I do is I come over here to my sink. I add just a little bit of water because you want to get all that goodness out of there. Looking for my cap. Here's my cap. And you want to shake it up, okay? Shake it up. And then you want to pour that in your meatballs as well. All right? You don't want to waste any of your barbecue sauce in your jar. All right. Now, take your grape jelly, okay? And actually, I need a spoon that I did not grab. All right, so we have just a little bit missing out of this grape jelly. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add what's left into this barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, if you're thinking, oh no, that don't look good, that don't sound good, give it a try, guys, because it is amazing. You can also do this with those little smoky links in the store. That is how my husband makes his when he makes his. And I love it. The whole family loves it. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. You want to let it all heat up with your lid on. And then you're going to add your onions in and let them cook down with this. So when all this is ready to go, I will show you guys what it looks like and we will have a taste test. Meanwhile, I'm going to finish chopping up my onions. So they are done, friends and family. Look at how good those look. They are amazing. They cooked for about an hour. But you're more than welcome to use a crock pot as well. Now, here's my twist. Dried cilantro. Okay? What I do, little palmful, sprinkle it all around. Give it a good stir so every meatball gets coated. Look at that. Doesn't that look good, friends and family? Now, while I'm stirring this up, I'm going to remind you guys, don't forget, I have a Facebook page, Country Views. Also, too, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This channel right here that you're watching, friends and family. Look how that looks. Oh, so yummy. So what I'm going to do, well, Cam focuses on this. I'm going to get some plates for plating. And I am going to plate up some of these for Cam to eat on. And then I am also going to plate some up for me because I'm hungry and I've not ate anything today. So let me grab my plate. Like, these are amazing, you guys. So good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is give Cam his plate, and I'm going to take the camera. Look at that, guys. All right.
All right.
Now Cam is going to get a good taste test. Be honest about it, Cam. Let the viewers, our friends, family, all know how good they are. Are they good?
Absolutely delicious.
Is that something you could eat on throughout the day?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? Can I get a oh so yummy?
Oh, so yummy.
Awesome. All right, I'm going to give you the camera back so they can see me try my own food.
All right.
Go ahead and twist her around. Now, I'm going to try this for you guys. It's hot. Blow on it. Do you guys want to bite? I'm telling you guys, this is good stuff. You have to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video with thank you for visiting Country Views again. We love all of our viewers, friends, and family. Got some great more recipes coming up. And I'm going to stuff my face. Bye.